There are a lot of fun titles in this month's Kiwi Club kit that are perfect for the upcoming fall season. Lots to choose from simple ones that you can do just of family pictures or just having fun outside. Like, for example, I have these pictures from a couple of years ago of the kids just playing in the leaves. So I'm excited to scrapbook those. And then of course there are some that just make really cute cards, like Happy Fall. Even the Thanksgiving one could be really cute. A thank you card. Even Give Thanks and Eat Pie could be really fun. Thank you card. So just a fun different ones that you can make with cards, or of course use on your scrapbook pages. So these are versatile in the purpose of multiple use, whether that be for cards or not. And then of course they're double-sided, so even if you don't want to make you a thank you card, then use the alternating side pattern for a fun accessory or layer. Now also remember that all of the designer templates are fun to play around with this different title and sentiment cards to create your own little designs to make them uniquely yours. And then you can just line that up and then of course trace that design out. Use these scraps of paper for any other designs or things that you would like to create with that.